Hello everyone, today I'm going to open this book set. It's called This Little Book Set. So let's open it. Wow, this set is so beautiful. Look, this is amazing. This is my favorite one. This little scientist, this little president also here, this little explorer also here, this little trailblazer also here.
How about showing it like this?
Let's open it.
May I help?
Yes.
Oh, it appears you don't need help.
It's so easy to take out.
Wow.
This is the beautifulest book set in the earth.
Those are amazing.
Yes, it's so amazing. Okay, bye. We'll put the reading channel, we'll put the reading books in the other channel. Call Moonsat Education. Bye.
Bye.